Harris, how did you use media technologies in the research, production, planning and evaluation stages?
Well, in terms of filming, we use an HD camera, a Canon, to film all our footage. We set it to its highest quality HD setting as well to gain the best and most legitimate looking shots. As well as this, we also used iPhone footage to create a handheld effect. Once we had got all our footage, we used Final Cut Express to upload it, where we could edit it and cut it down to what we want it to be. We used things like the razor tool to cut shots to exactly the length we wanted them, additive and cross dissolves to blend shots the way we wanted them to be, and also we used Final Cut Express to change the speed of shots to give a slow motion effect. When it came to taking our photos for our digipack, we used the HD photo setting on the Canon Algoria HD cameras. We uploaded them into Photoshop, which you can see here. We uploaded them into Photoshop, and from there we sculpted them into the images we needed. We used things like text boxes to introduce these kind of quotes and the titles and the fonts for the advert as well as the digipack. We also use sepia and watercolour effects to fit our indie genre. In terms of planning, most of the organisation was done across the internet. We used social media sites to share ideas and to organise dates and times for filming. We also used YouTube greatly in planning. We looked at similar products and research similar artists in our research, which allowed us to gain ideas to use for our video. When it came to doing our research into these similar products, we used a great deal of digital technology. We used the internet to find our similar projects by researching YouTube and similar artists on the right-hand side of our videos. Of some artists we have already identified as similar. We used Twitter and Facebook to find demographics and the information on the bottom of YouTube videos also to find our demographics, as well as Twitter and Facebook to have communication within the group. For all aspects of this course, we use Blogger to document our progress, and this is where we have presented all types of digital tech. We have I have embedded YouTube videos, SoundCloud clips, as well as Prezzies, which are online presentations which you can use to display all different kinds of things for all different aspects of the course. I use them in research planning and will possibly use them in evaluation. And if we ever encounter problems throughout this course, we also use the internet to look for ways to resolve them through help sites or tutorials.